Water Efficiency Grant Program was created in 2019, and we have currently completed 100 projects. Coal Creek Master Association decided that they were going to evaluate their landscape in order to find locations to save water where there was higher water use and non-essential turf.
We've got 25,000 square feet of a dome that we're watering close to about 450,000 gallons a year with. And what do we do with that? Kids can't play on it. We're watering the dickens out of it. That doesn't even talk about the cost of mowing and maintenance of the property. The two things that we could not do for ourselves without Northern Water was, one, get to people that could explain to us how to make the transition. How do you move from, this was all Kentucky bluegrass, we spent about 450,000 gallons a year of water use, to something like this in which we spend no amount of water on it, and it actually looks really nice through most of the year. For our residents, this makes an ideal sound barrier with the native grass on here. And again, no water, no mowing, saving thousands of dollars each year.
The project included irrigation upgrades, so they installed 12-inch rotor pop-ups to support the taller native grass. They also did drip to the trees so that they could support the trees in times of drought. And then they installed native grass, buffalo blue grama, throughout the turf area. It was a very successful project and very happy to partner with them.